Hello.
Hi.
Yes.
Yes, good
Good evening.
good
Good afternoon.
evening. Yeah, good afternoon here. Good evening to you.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, thanks for coming to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. By the way, my name is Eric and you are
My name is Kashi.
Kazi.
Yes.
Kashi? Kashi.
Yes.
Ah,
Kashi. Kashi.
yes, I can see here
Yes.
Kashi. Yes. Oh,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too, Kashi.
Yes.
So, how is it going? How are you?
Yes. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Today is a Sunday, so
Oh
for
yeah,
us it's
relax.
the holiday. That's why so we could
Yes.
release the too much stress and completely
Exactly.
relax.
Yes, yes, yes. That's true. That's true. It's very important. At least we have some relaxation, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Not working all the time.
Sorry.
Okay.
Still, so you are working.
Well, yeah, I actually work every day, but I don't work too much as well. Maybe sometimes 5 hours only, something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Or sometimes I also like take a day off anytime, any day I want. So I can choose what
Yeah, yes.
day I can.
Because also your working style looks like a owner.
Oh yeah, something like that. Yes,
Mm,
yeah. This is we call it freelance or
mm,
freelancer. I'm a freelancer, so it's like I'm a boss of my own. I can just decide what time
mm,
I should work and what time I will take my day off.
mm.
This is my dream job.
Yes. So you can
Yeah, I can
you can
manage my
manage the
time.
time
Yes, yes,
and
yeah.
everything by yourself. Mm.
Exactly, exactly.
Instead of
Mm.
the salaryman.
Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But the disadvantage here is it is easy to be lazy. You know,
Yes, yes,
when
yes,
you don't have a boss, it is easy to be lazy. That's the
yes,
problem.
yes. You have to take all responsibility by yourself.
True. Yes.
Yeah.
So I need to command myself. You know,
Mhm.
I need to talk to myself. You work today, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sometimes it's funny, but it's true.
Mm,
I really need to force myself to work because
mm,
the tendency is to just to, let's say, to lie down, to take a rest. Yeah,
mm.
especially if you're at home, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that after the COVID, the
Mm.
working style is completely changed. I think
Yeah, that's true. I agree with that.
because before the companies has all the responsibility to employee. Okay,
Yes.
that's why so the companies order to everybody. You
Mm-hmm.
have to work
Mm.
from the 9 to 9 or 9 to 5 o'clock.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
as
yeah.
a duty hours. But now the
Mm-hmm.
companies also changing the mind.
Yeah, I
They cannot
agree with
take a
that.
responsibility 100% for everybody.
True. So,
That's why after the fixed the duty hour, so
mm-hmm.
we have to get
Yes,
the money, mm, get the money by ourselves
that's true. That's true.
to achieve our target life.
Yes,
If the
yes.
somebody is enough,
Mm-hmm.
the money from the companies,
I'm not
okay,
gonna.
no need to extra work and
Mm.
no need to study new
That's true.
things.
Yes, of course.
But if
Mm.
the life target
Mm.
is more high,
Yeah,
we have to study by
we
ourselves.
have, we
We
have.
have to,
Yeah.
uh, yes, we have to get the license or something
Yes, another
for our
skills,
life.
another skills,
Yes, another
right?
skill.
Yeah, so that we
And the
can earn.
companies will accept this kind of second job or
Mm.
some this kind of the overwork.
Yeah, of
Mm,
course. If they can provide your
yes.
total need, right? They
Mm,
cannot satisfy the need of your family.
mm,
So yeah, you have mentioned about after the post-pandemic, for example. I think the word here is flexibility, right?
yes.
Flexibility will be the number one focus of the companies that
Yes.
the time, right? how they can be flexible in the changing situations, right? I think so too, yes. And also risk management, right? Risk
Yes.
management, I think this is
Mm.
very important in every company. So,
Yes.
in order to be prepared all the time, right? All the
Mm.
time. So, whatever forms of disaster, just like this pandemic,
Mm.
so they know what to do, like plan A,
Yes.
plan B, plan C, something like that.
Yes. Mm.
That's very true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What kind of industry are you in? What kind of company are you
Mm.
working
Mm.
with?
Food. Okay. Food machinery.
Wood machinery.
Food
Oh,
machinery.
oh.
For example.
Mm,
Okay. Uh, so you know the. Okay.
mhm.
For example. No wood. No wood. Food.
Hood. Yeah, hood.
Food.
Hood. Not wood. Hood machinery.
Food.
Oh, this one.
Sorry. Yeah. The.
Hood.
No. FOOD.
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 Food. Okay,
FOOD.
sorry for that.
No. My pronunciation is a
Food
typical Japanese pronunciation.
machinery.
It's a little difficult.
So food. I'm right
Food.
now.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
All
This is
right.
correct.
Food
For example,
machinery. Wow.
for example, the potato chips.
Yes, potato chips. So.
Okay, so because potato chips
Uh-huh.
is each weight is a difference. Okay,
Yes, that's true.
but the one bag weight is always
One
same.
bag weight. Same. One bag weight. The weight of
For
one
example,
bag.
potato chips bag. Okay.
Okay.
So when you go to supermarket, so you
Mhm.
can buy the potato chips.
All right.
Okay, but so you never doubt about the total weight.
Yeah, because it's the same weight in the bag, and
Same.
it's you can see
For
there.
example, 60 gram is all the bag is a 60 gram, absolutely.
Yes, that's right. Mm-hmm.
But so you can open this bag, so you can find that each piece of potato chips are different weight. Big chips and small chips, some lack of chips.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
But the one bag weight is almost same.
Almost the same.
Completely same.
Mm-hmm.
Because so they can weighing the potato chips by computer scale.
Computer scale. That's nice. Really?
So this is our company's product.
Computer scale. Wow,
Yes.
that's amazing.
For example, the chocolate also.
So you are selling it to the stores, the groceries.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I got.
No, especially for the manufacturers.
Manufacturers.
B2B business.
Oh, B2B. That's nice.
Yes.
Wow. This is the first time I heard this kind of
Oh,
business.
really?
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
can imagine that one chocolate bag.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Always a chocolate bag is 100 grams.
Okay. Wow.
So that is our scale.
That's nice. That's
And
nice.
also the inspection machine.
Inspection machine. Oh, that's good. So this is for what? What kind of company is using this?
Yes, again, so you can imagine the potato chips bag. Yes, inspection machine. Okay, this bag has some of the printing, company's name, and the taste, and the manufacturer date, and something. So you cannot recognize inside the bag.
Yes.
So if you have some of the contamination,
what
do you think about it?
So that's the use of this inspection machine. Wow.
Yes. So we can use the metal detector or X-ray.
That's nice.